Welcome to Financial Charge with William, a place to supercharge your finance. Let's talk about what is a meme stock and should you invest? Meme stocks, you're hearing them everywhere in the investment communities and social media right now. Everyone is comparing them to cryptocurrency. So let's take a deep dive. What is a meme stock? How do meme stocks get their starts? How do meme stocks work? 4 popular meme stocks to consider watching right now. Should you invest in meme stock? The big question. The wrap up. Let's put it all together. What is the meme stock and should you invest? Let's get started. Help the channel out with the YouTube algorithm? Go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe. What is a meme stock? Whether you pronounce it meme, mime, or mimi, social media has grown with importance in the modern life. Meme stocks have become buzzwords in certain investment circles over the recent years. The accompanying hype with results in significant shifts in valuations. Just look at the power Reddit and Twitter have over the market in the last several weeks. Meme stock is not easily defined as a growth or value stock, so it is given complete categorization would not be acceptable. I would not be categorizing it alongside growth and value stocks. They will not be found in textbooks anytime soon, but you can overlook their impact should potentially be expensive mistake. Some of the common characteristics of meme stock share, they are usually overpriced and experience spikes in rapid growth in a short space of time. Popular with millennials, they are prone to high risk with evaluations based around potential rather than financials. In GameStop's case, not potential at all, but simply taking advantage of the system. The sentiment around the stock is positioned around the future problem it solves. With talk, valuations extremely low down the list, usually only proposed by bears. FOMO, F-O-M-O, the biggest influence to buy. While panic selling is at the slightest headwind is common, adding to the stock's volatility. FOMO, fear of missing out, fear of not being included in something. How do meme stocks get their start? Here are 2 causing factors that led to the birth of meme stocks. Commission-free trading and online investing communities. Begin with companies like Robinhood and Public, before being accepted by some of the more well-known names like Charles Schwab and TD Ameritrade. Commission-free trading has opened the stock market to a broader public and support trading at any level. Online investing communities found the social media sites like Reddit and StockTwits are one of the biggest factors in the birth of meme stocks. StockTwits is a social media site, much like versions of Twitter, dedicated solely to stocks. StockTwits has millions of members, while subreddits, our stocks and our investing boosts are rising daily. These numbers, along with the 6.3 million members, which make up now the infamous R Wall Street subreddit, hold a significant influence in molding the stock market. Did you purchase meme stocks or made a profit off of meme stocks? Let us know in the comments below. How does meme stock work? Meme stock is a rise in popularity because of the conversation held online. Due to things getting viral on the internet, they tend to do a rapid price spikes. Because of the increased price, it is artificial and it's not the result of the company's actual performance. These spikes are usually followed by an avoidable crash. These spikes have recently been fueled by a forum on Reddit called Wall Street Bets. In particular threads on Wall Street Bets subreddit, one user explained the meme stock cycle as follows. Early adopter phase. A handful of investors believe a particular stock is undervalued and begin to buy in large quantities. The stock's price slowly begins to rise. Middle phase. People who are paying attention notice the increase in volume. The more individuals then start buying and the stock price skyrockets. Later, FOMO phase, the important one. Word about the stock spreads across social media and online forums. As a result, fear of missing out takes hold and more retail investors will join in. Profit-taking phase. After a few days, the buying peaks and early adopters begin cashing out. Just like the buying phase and selling phase becomes a chain reaction as people fear losing their money. This is where the price starts going down. Because of the cycle, it is early adopters who profit from these trends. Once the meme stock cycle enters the FOMO phase, it is likely too late to make a profit. 4 meme stocks to consider watching right now: AMC Entertainment Holdings, BlackBerry Limited, GameStop Corporation, Bed Bath & Beyond. AMC Entertainment Holdings. AMC is a theater chain meme stock that has skyrocketed in the investment space in 2021. It is one of the largest movie exhibition companies in the US and in Europe. The company boasts over 900 theaters and 10,000 screens globally. AMC stock has gained significantly over the last 2 weeks, but has recently seen a drop. BlackBerry is a multinational company that specializes in enterprise software and the Internet of Things. This company, like AMC, seems to have gained meme sentiment on Reddit as retail investors rally behind this stock. BlackBerry is well positioned to secure all IoT endpoints and is leading the way to signal performance for secure and optimize how intelligent endpoints are developed. Just like AMC stock, BlackBerry stock this week was up. By the end of the week, it dropped down. GameStop Corp. GameStop is a video game and consumer electronics retailer. It is one of the largest video retailers in the world and has been rapidly expanding its e-commerce capabilities. It has over 4,000 stores, e-commerce properties across 10 countries. GameStop, just like the other stocks, took a small plunge this week, was up in the beginning of the week, is now down at the end of the week. Bath & Beyond. Bath & Beyond is a retailer that sells a wide assortment of merchandise. Specifically, its products are for the home, baby, beauty, wellness markets. Bath & Beyond is also going to release its very own brand this quarter. I have found this website while I was researching for this video. It's memestocks.org. It mentions stocks from Reddit, Wall Street Beats, and puts them in a list form. It also updates every hour according to the site, and it shows the last 24 hours worth. I will link the site in the description below. Did you check out memestock.org or plan to? I hope this will help you out. Let us know in the comments below. Should you invest in meme stocks? In any investment, there's a risk and reward, but the vitality is much higher than most other investments. For example, while GameStop hit $483 at the blistering pace, the share price plummeted to the mid $40 range within a week and a half, only to race back up to the mid 300s later that month. This level of volatility is rare in the stock market, and many investors would rather avoid. Meme stocks do have profit potential. Social media flavor around meme stocks in recent months provided significant short-term gains for a handful of lucky traders, some of whom became millionaires in the process. Still, it is important to understand these success stories are rare, and meme stocks have significant drawbacks, and they include: it is gambling. Rumors have always been part of the stock market. Meme traders are not the first to manipulate the stock market prices for their own benefit. In general, stocks have underlying values based on fundamental financial performance of companies they represent. Should you buy meme stocks? The truth is, not all meme stocks are to be treated as outsiders. Just because hype surrounds certain companies does not mean their operations are affected. Whether is the future relevant in the industry, stocks have a visionary CEO, or is it the lead of a mega trend that is about to sweep the globe? There are reasons for these companies to get so much attention. What is the effect? However, it is the stock price. Anyone buying into these stocks is going to have to pay a premium, and they must prepare to lose a lot. The trick is being able to identify the difference between deserved hype and hot air. Go ahead, hit that like button and subscribe. The wrap up. A meme stock is a security that has been increased in trading value after going viral on social media or on an online forum. A meme stock have become increasingly popular due to Reddit page called Wall Street Bets. A popular meme stock, GameStop, saw a massive price surge in late January 2021 after retail investors attempted to take on a hedge fund that had shortened the stock. While meme stocks increase people's interest in the stock market, financial professionals generally recommend a more diverse, measured approach to investing. We will see what is about to happen. Thanks. Have a good one.